go. That's the XL-104. I had to tear this completely apart and rip the guts out of it. The back plate and the points ignition. Everything on that old saw was Loctited or JB welded in. This is another one. This is an XL-104 with the higher serial number that needs another. I'm on the hunt for a correct flywheel for it. But both these XL-104 solid states were converted to points ignition. And I didn't like that because they weren't original. So I got all the parts to convert this one. I've got a new starter cover, but this has the original Homelite bar on it, and it needs a little tweaking on the carburetor, probably new fuel line, fuel filter, and a carb kit, or run a little bit. But the second one, which it has all different parts, it uses a different module, a different switch box, and a different back plate, and a different flywheel. And I've got all the parts except for the flywheel, which I may end up trying to see if the original flywheel will work. And if I can get spark, we'll see. I don't know if I will or not, but there are a few differences after serial number 280245855. They use this bottom handle, this rounded bottom handle that hooks into the bottom like this, versus the one with the flat piece on the bottom. And so they made changes on this model, even though it's probably only a 1-year model. So I don't know why they did it, but they did. So this is sitting here, and I have all the parts other than the right flywheel to convert this one too. So as soon as I can track that sucker down, which I may not, so I'll try the other one first, but we'll see. But I've been really behind because I have had to put a new roof on the shop out here, and complete 50 new joists and new membrane and new cap, and I put a new row of pavers on the very top. Now I've got to finish the cement work, touch it up, and then paint it. And but my shop's dry, but I had to do that. But next is I've got to get some measurements on some decals to send to Joe. So we've got this Super XL AM, which is a Super XL automatic, made in Canada only. I'm only made about 1 year, 68 I think, but a few of us have these, and we'd like to have some decals with it. This decal here that they used on the Super XL AM is the same, other than color and numbers, is what they used on the XL-701, the 800, the 850, the 902 AM is similar, but not, it has that white line around it that 902 didn't. But a lot of these use the same, triangle home plate looking deal with different numbers: XL-700, 701, Super XL AM, the XL-800 AM, XL-800, and a couple others. So other than, once I get measurements, other than color and numbers, I think, in fact, I think it's just the numbers that'll be different on different saws. I can get that to Joe, and hopefully he can make some more decals.